Disclaimer. This training video on effective presentation is for training and information purposes only. The techniques and recommendations presented in this video are based on general best practices and experience. Please note that individual circumstances, such as specific company policies or industry-specific requirements, cannot be addressed in detail. The information contained in the video is not a guarantee of success in presentations and does not replace the need for individual preparation and practice. The content reflects the opinions and experience of the creator and makes no claim to completeness or accuracy in all situations. The creator accepts no liability for any direct or indirect loss, damage or inconvenience that may arise from the application of the content presented in the video. For detailed advice or special requests, please contact us at contact@xprts4xlnc.com. All content shown in this video is protected by copyright. Any reproduction or distribution is only permitted with our written authorization. Welcome to Part 5 of the Effective Presentation Training. In this part we will cover the subject of data visualization. This video tutorial is an extract from our one-day classroom training on the same topic. It is in the nature of online video training that it cannot replace classroom training due to the lack of interaction possibilities. So if you would like more in-depth training, please contact us at contact@xprts4xlnc.com. This training module consists of 8 parts, each lasting between 10 and 30 minutes. At the end of each part, you will have time to reflect and make your own notes on the respective part. We hope you enjoy the training. At the end of the course, you know the methods for creating different forms of presentations in professional situations, both within your company and towards customers. You have an overview of the targeted use of presentation media and design elements as well as the preparation and visualization of data. You know about the possibilities of storytelling and how to convey your messages to the audience in an emotionally appealing way. You have an understanding of the effective use of voice, gestures and body language and understand the effect on how others perceive you. Now let's get started with the data visualization. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Data presented in graphics is memorable. Data should not be presented in tabular form. Clear, easy to grasp graphics are better. The following also applies to graphics and diagrams. Action titles create attractiveness. But visualizations also need rules. Always strive for accuracy, consistency, simplicity and the right value or rank of the content's message. Guidelines for visualizations. Accuracy, correct numbers. Complete legend including title, name, date, source, units, etc. Appropriate visuals for the message. Consistency. Same format. Data that compares apples with apples. Simplicity. One message per image element. Readability in terms of layout, font size, number of words on the page. No use of complex tables or flowcharts. Value of the message. Important to support the pyramid structure. Decisive or supportive for the goal of communication. Now let's come to the guidelines for diagrams. Accuracy. If several comparisons are displayed, decide on a primary chart type. Focusing. Limit yourself to a few, sufficient elements. Grouping. Summarize unnecessary details. Highlighting. Draw attention to your message, contrasting colors, text, etc., without being cheesy. Sort. Arrange data points in a logical sequence. Normalize. Increasing the informative value of comparisons by normalizing elements. Scaling. Be careful when scaling axes. Choose scaling so that the message is supported. Now let's talk about tools for data visualization. There is a good saying. For those who only know the hammer as a tool, every problem is a nail. Choosing the right tool is crucial for the informative value of the visualization. The standard tools for creating presentations offer sufficient functionality for most visualizations. If this is not enough, the common spreadsheets offer extended functionalities. For very large data sets or for the presentation of a data project, spreadsheet programs are usually no longer sufficient. Special analysis and visualization programs can be used here. Tableau. Microsoft Power BI. Google Data Studio. The premier class of data visualizations is infographics. However, the choice of the right representation is also decisive for the informative value of the visualization. Infographics are a professional way of visualizing content. However, it is important to ensure that the infographic does not appear overloaded and that the colors and style correspond to the standard of the presentation. For many presentation programs, there are add-ins, plugins or toolboxes that offer infographic templates. There are also separate apps for creating infographics for most computer platforms. Now lean back and think about your 3 key findings from this block. Write them down. Congratulations for finishing this 5th module of the course. Now reward yourself and then take a short break. We will see you back in Module 6.